Hey everybody, Dustin here, Supercar Sunday. Brought to you by Porsche Woodland Hills. Pantera Club's coming in. So we saved them some spots. There's another probably 10 cars coming. You gotta love Panteras. I remember the first time I drove one, I actually moved it at a body shop, and I had to, sorry about that, I had to take my shoes off because the pedals are so close. It's a known issue.
Maybe not today, but at least
it's gonna be beautiful. Rush show up. Another great day out here. Got the Chevy Club down there. It's a little bit after 7 o'clock. Got the Porsches coming in, food trucks jumping.
Well, because I'm trying to. We don't get a lot of that.
So the best part about Supercar Sunday is just the diversity, right? We've got Panteras, Lambos, Porsches, hot rods. We get everything. Bunch of troublemakers.
Hey.
I guess this is the unofficial Corvette section, right?
Oh yeah, rally. Everybody was trying to have,
Didn't like that spot. So all the old guys in the Chevy Club were talking about how this is a real hot rod, street strip car. 10 second? Wow.
in 64.
Look how cool that is. Oh, Jim, Bone Fabs, Hot Rod Muscle Cars, Jim Bassett. Real good friend of mine.
Is it all Chevys on here?
What a car. How awesome is that? So, just another day, Supercar Sunday. I'll rock the other rows a little bit. I'm gonna catch up with some buddies. SupercarSunday.com, like and subscribe, more content to come. And we got legends everywhere. Gary Wales over there sitting down. We're actually wearing the identical outfit. He's got a hat, I gave him a hat. He's got a shirt on. Got McLaren's pulling in. All right, more to come. Like, subscribe. We'll see you at Supercar Sunday.